Right. Hi. Happy Thursday. We're going to discuss hibiscus today. And this particular hibiscus, I believe, is just an average hibiscus, albeit a fabulous example of it. It's quite large, and the color within these blossoms is really nice. Behind it is the same type of hibiscus, but in the red color. And if you look closely, you can see the stem of it is braided. And this is a pretty common thing, although I love it. It's over some impatience in a big urn. But this is the type of hibiscus, I believe, again I say I believe because I'm not 100% sure, that is used to make tea in Egypt called karkadi, which is a delicious red tea. So I think you can dry these flowers and brew them, and they are full of vitamin C. So this is a typical hibiscus, not winter hardy. Generally dies over the winter, although I have successfully kept them in the garage, which is about a 50% success rate, I guess, if I'm being honest here. There are times where they don't get enough water and they just dry out and die. But one that survived for 3 years is over here. We'll just walk along this little path here, past another standard hibiscus. And this one was bought this year to match the other one. But this one here with no flowers on it is, well, it's poorly lit is what it is, 3 years old and not flowering. But behind it is one of my favorite hibiscus, the Rose of Sharon, or also known as the Rose of Sharon. And it's blooming a lovely purple. There you go. Okay, but the main feature of today is neither of these hibiscus. Follow me into the yard. We'll go past the draining pool. We're going to reline the pool next month. Going to head down the stairs into the backyard to this amazing hibiscus that was purchased by my competition. Yes, there's 2 gardeners on this property, and we have a, well, a rivalry, I guess is what you could call it. But he did buy this amazing hibiscus. I mean, look how big it is compared to my hand. It's just huge. This is called the Luna Hibiscus, and the Luna Hibiscus is a tender perennial. I've had some survive and come back, but they generally don't. I have another Luna Hibiscus over here, which was purchased this year and is almost finished blooming. Here's the last blossom on this one. With such a pretty color, with newly planted kale below. Nice. That should look pretty this winter. Finally, we have behind the artichoke here, we have a very old Rose of Sharon, or Rose of Sharon hibiscus in white with red centers. It's probably 20 years old, maybe more. Blooms fabulously every year, very, very tough. I can cut it back like crazy and it just likes that. Directly below it is another Luna Hibiscus. You can see it's in full bud, but not blooming yet. This one's 3 years old, and coming maybe next week. Alright, until next time.